Welcome, everyone. Today, we're not just going to talk about English. No, today, we're going to transform the way you speak it. And I promise you, by the end of this video, when you look in the mirror, you're going to say, "Yes, now I can speak. I finally understand how to make my mouth work for me." But first, let me ask you something simple. How many English videos have you watched? How many grammar rules have you memorized? How many hours have you listened, silently, without ever speaking? And yet, when it's time to talk, your lips freeze. Your tongue shakes. Your voice disappears. Your brain goes blank. Not because you're bad at English. Not because your vocabulary is weak. No, it's because your mouth is untrained. Yes. You heard me right. You've been training your brain. But you've ignored the muscles that actually speak English. Let's make this crystal clear. English is not only in your head. It lives in your lips. It lives in your tongue. It lives in your jaw. It lives in your sound flow. And until you train those, you will always feel like something is missing. But today, that stops. Because this is not another boring lesson. This is a journey to wake up your mouth. And finally, speak English fluently, starting from zero. And no, you don't need a perfect accent. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need hours of time. All you need is 5 minutes a day, the right method, and the courage to sound like a beginner, so you can become fluent. This is the video I wish someone gave me years ago. The truth your English teacher never told you. Let's begin. Part 2. Train your mouth in just 5 minutes a day. Here's a bold truth. If you do what I'm about to show you, for just 5 minutes a day, for the next 30 days, your English will sound different. Not just in your head, but in your mouth, your conversations, your confidence, your life. Because now, we're going to treat your mouth like a muscle. Step 1. Mouth warm-up, 1 minute. Like in the gym, warm up your muscles. Lip rolls, buzz your lips gently. 5 seconds, 3 times. Tongue stretch, push your tongue out, slowly, 10 times. Jaw loosen, open, close, gently. 5 times. Smile stretch, smile wide, hold 5 seconds, repeat 2x. Loosens tension. Activates muscles you never use. Makes your English sound smooth and natural. Step 2. Mirror technique, 1 minute. Your mirror is your coach, your feedback system, your confidence booster. Look at yourself. Choose one simple sentence. Say it slowly. Watch your lips, your jaw, your tongue, your eyes. Repeat 5 times, slightly faster each time. Step 3. Shadow speaking, 2 minutes. This is the real fluency work. Listen to a native speaker sentence, and immediately repeat. Match the speed, tone, rhythm, emotion. Not slowly. Not in your version. Exactly like them. Step 4. Fluency loop, 1 minute. Take one sentence and say it. Slow, normal, fast. Repeat 3 times. And that's it. 5 minutes. Daily. Fluency is built. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this, hit like and subscribe. Because trust me, this is going to change the way you speak forever. Part 3. Speak like a native, sound clusters and flow. Here's something most learners never get. You can know every grammar rule, every word. But if you speak robotically, you will never sound fluent. Native speakers speak in clusters of sounds, not words. They link words together. They blend syllables. They create a melody in their speech. For example, what are you doing? Most learners say it broken. What are you doing? A native says, what you doing? Smooth, fast, natural. Let's try another. Did you eat? Native, did you eat? Sounds like one word. Fluency isn't about perfection. It's about rhythm, flow, and confidence in your sound. Daily practice. Choose 3 clusters. Speak them like a song. Create sentences with them. Record yourself and play it back. Soon, your mouth will move naturally. Your voice will sound like a native's, without faking an accent. Pause for impact. Loving this guide? Hit that subscribe button, because your journey to real English fluency starts now. Part 4. Train your brain and mouth together. Here's the painful truth. Most learners only train their mouth. But inside, their brain is full of fear, doubt, judgment. And that's why, when it's time to speak, they freeze. Your mouth cannot say what your brain doesn't believe. Step 1. Speak with emotion, not accuracy. Say, "I'm happy to be here," with real emotion. Smile, feel it, own it. Step 2. Speak like an actor, not a student. Act your sentences. Excited, nervous, angry, feel the change in your voice. Step 3. Automatic fluency, mental shortcuts. Train your brain to react to English sounds instantly, without translating from your native language. Step 4. Combine emotion, voice, movement. Stand up, move your hands, use your body. Your voice gets stronger. Your presence gets bigger. Step 5. Daily 5-minute routine. 1 minute, 3 sentences with full emotion. 1 minute, act like a scene. 1 minute, walk while repeating. 1 minute, mirror speaking. 1 minute, record and play back. Do this consistently, and your English will sound fearless, confident, and alive. Final note: you are not bad at English. You just haven't trained the right way. Your fluency begins when your fear ends. When your mouth, your mind, and your voice all start working together. And remember, subscribe if you haven't already. Because the next step in your fluency journey is waiting, and it begins with action, not watching.